Now, if you ask any roofer, one of the most critical sections on a roof that's prone to leaking are at the valleys. And when it rains, with the sheer volume of water flowing down through these valleys, this is where most of the leaks are going to occur. So it's for this reason extra care needs to be taken to actually waterproof the valleys. When installing roof shingles, a thick waterproof membrane, just like this one, it's applied down every valley. This highly developed leak barrier, it acts as a sort of water and ice shield and provides excellent waterproofing to these highly vulnerable areas. Given the importance of waterproofing these valleys, it is really vital that this leak barrier is installed correctly. So let's go and take a look at how it's installed. As with most things, preparation is key. We know the roof valleys take a lot of water when it rains, so it's essential to take your time in this area. The leak barrier we will be using is called StormGuard. Although it is one of the best in the industry, we still need to pay attention to how it is installed. Scan the entire valley area for any nails that didn't get driven all the way down. Literally use your hands to feel for any high nails and keep a hammer handy to knock any of them down. StormGuard does have an adhesive backing, so just before you're ready, give the area a good sweep, or even better, use a mini blower to get rid of any dust or dirt. Then, starting from the top, roll out a section and cut it to suit the length of the valley. A good tip is to fold it in half, lengthways, and create a slight crease right down the middle. This will help you keep it running straight along the centre line of the valley, particularly when you begin sticking it down. StormGuard is one of the most highly developed leak barriers in the industry. Developed by GAF using their advanced technology, it's proven over time to provide outstanding leak protection. It's a film-surfaced fiberglass matte reinforced leak barrier, and it has an adhesive backing, making it easy to install, and the membrane is self-sealing around nails. While in some cold climates it's required over the eaves and rakes, in Australia it's generally only needed in the valleys. With the length of StormGuard folded over, remove the backing from one half to expose the adhesive layer. Then gently stick the membrane down along one side of the valley. Press it firmly to stick it down, while making sure to avoid any bridging, particularly in the centre of the valley. Use that crease you made earlier to keep the membrane centred as you stick it down. Then fold the membrane over and repeat the process for the other side. Once again, peel the plastic backing away to expose the remaining adhesive section. Then, press it down firmly while again avoiding any bridging within the centre of the valley. As an additional measure to keep the membrane in place, you can tack it in along the edges. Be careful not to nail anywhere near the centre of the valley. StormGuard actually has a red line down its length, so use this guide to make sure you nail outside the red line. Once complete, you'll be ready to begin applying the underlay.